this video, we will show you how to link pages in Squarespace website. To link page on Squarespace website, first we need to go to our website configurations and link page on Squarespace website. There is some method. First, we can link into our main navigation, and the second, we can link the page into our blogs. Let's try to using main navigation in here. To link page on main navigation, you can just click pages menu and click plus sign in here. And for example, let's create the page, and for the URL slot, you can click the settings button and choose, or you can replace this with whatever you want and click save. After that, will automatically the link is appear on your main navigation. You can drag and drop to reorder your main navigation look like this. And the second is using block. To using block, you can just edit your website page, and we can using image, text, and button. Of course, let's create a blank section, and we will try to using block using button. Okay, for example, look like this. And to edit this, you can just click the pencil icon and type here the link you want to activate on this button. For example, I copy this URL and put here. I'm sorry. Look like this. Now this is make as link. And the second, we can also using text. Okay, for example, this is a link, and we can put link in here, block the text, and choose this. And we can also copy paste the URL we want. Now it's become link. And the three, we can using image also. For example, let's upload files. And you can edit the image to function as link by clicking the pencil icon. And this is the link. If you want change this image to link, you can click on image and give the link you want. And that's all. Tutorial how to change or how to put links in Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.